You can take mine.
Take Hannah
We've seen
Roots.
some great defense from England tonight.
Take Hannah. Take Hannah. Oh no. Oh.
Is it thing that you can't leave yet?
For real, sit back down.
There you go. Now, Bryn.
What? Let it grab it out of my hand or no?
Yes.
Trevor?
Yes.
No, I can't. Oh my gosh.
Bryn, what's wrong with you?
What if it bites me or something? Oh my gosh.
And then you should shoot the arrows straight up and play chicken. I said
Grown up.
Yeah. That's pretty funny. Yeah, that's funny. Oh, oh, behind us. Levi. How do you?
3, 2, 1.
Dude, that was sick.
Yeah. Who cares? While I'm walking across.
You're gonna graduate again, aren't you?
I'll hold up the cheese stick too. Yeah.